Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are redoing a laundry and we're trying to keep it budget and DIY friendly by using flat pack cabinets. We're going to be elevating the look by using beautiful accessories and hardware so that it doesn't look so flat packish. The biggest issue with this laundry is that there is not enough bench space and the linen cupboard is bigger than it needs to be. So we're replacing the linen cupboard and adding some bench tops to make this room more functional. They have a lot of charcoal and blue colors in their home and they wanted the laundry to tie in aesthetically with the rest of the house. So we chose this Poppyseed color cabinet in the style Alpine from Kaboodle Kitchen and used black pudding as the laminate bench top. We are using this amazing brushed brass cabinet handle for all the cupboards and just a really modern simple pull-out kitchen mixer for the tap. Since it's not a high splash area, we used a V-groove cladding on the splashback in a light grey colour and also added some warmth with a light oak timber. We replaced that oversized and underused linen cupboard with a 600mm wide cabinet. We placed two 450mm wide cabinets next to each other, one with the sink and the other a pull-out dirty laundry cupboard because everyone wants to keep their dirty laundry a bit, private. The dryer and washing machine sit next to each other on the floor under the bench, giving plenty of room for bench space. We placed two 800mm wide overhead cupboards for storage and had this awkward little leftover space that was just awkward and none of the standard cupboard sizes fit, so I was like, what am I gonna do? And then I remembered every designer's secret weapon, the open shelf. Just put an open shelf. Too much space, open shelf. Too little space, open shelf. Broken leg, open shelf. Oh, and we snuck in a sneaky little hanging rail, which you will see in the after. If you're keen to see more budgets and DIY friendly content, leave me a comment below so I know that's what you want to watch. Just to give you a bit of a refresher, this is what the before looked like. And this is the after.